So we just picked this guy up at our local pet store. Well, one of them. It's actually about 20 minutes away from the house. This is supposed to be a parrot and a flower horn mix. It is a male from what the guy was telling me, or it's believed to be a male. And he got some a little bit of fin damage, kind of like everything that we get here. They get here all messed up, and then they get to look beautiful, like the arowana, the pacus, and everything else that I always get. I get the ugly kids, and then they turn into beautiful animals. So we'll keep you guys posted on how this guy develops and how he looks. You can do your search and kind of look at him. You can see the pattern a little bit of the flower horn. He looks different. I don't know. He might be mixed with something else. They say flower horn and parrot, but this looks more to me like a flower horn and a convict. I don't know. You guys tell me down below what you think it is. So that's our quick little video for today. Hope you guys like it.